In the final episode of our Street Triple Makeover Series, I get to reveal the bike to Twinny, hand back her keys, and then together we hit the country roads of Essex. Twinny! So guys, Twinny has come over for the reveal of the bike.
Yep.
So we've got an absolutely gorgeous, really hot day. Since we fitted the parts, which Twinny helped us with, I've done a few other jobs to the bike, which you haven't seen. So without further ado, let's reveal what's under the cover. Cover off. Sorry, sit there. So obviously you helped when we fitted the bars, we did the grips, got the mirrors on. Since then, the whole bike has been thoroughly cleaned, used the Auto Bright Direct products.
Yes.
It's also had another coating of AC50. There was some wheel balancing bits that have all been removed from the wheels.
Yeah.
All the carbon has come up really nice. And it's also got a ceramic coating finish on the bike as well.
Nice.
So,
Really
yay!
Look at that. It's really nice. I have to say, I love the mirrors. They are so nice.
They're lovely,
like
aren't they?
stroking my bike like it's a pet.
So the engine protectors,
Yeah, they look really good.
and frame protectors,
Yeah,
there's a lot of work gone into getting those.
they look so good.
So we could have spent some money
Yeah.
and bought a brand new pair,
Yeah.
but
Well, I think they look just as good now.
yeah,
Yeah.
from a distance, unless you're really,
I mean, if
really
you
close.
look close up, then you can tell. But
Yeah.
yeah. Engine protector looks really good as well. Yeah, it looks really, really good. I was going to say, I never thought I'd like a fly screen, but it looks so good, and I really like the design, so it works for the bike.
Yeah. Now, I've taken the bike out for a little spin, just a couple of miles the other evening. Got some real footage for Instagram, and I can't wait for you to ride it in a moment, because I really noticed the difference actually of having the fly screen on a naked bike.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'll be intrigued.
Yeah. So shall we go and
Yeah.
get suited up and then go for a little ride?
Yes, let's go.
Let's do that.
Yeah. My favourite part. I haven't checked my mirrors yet, so.
Yeah, we'll do that and let's sit on the bike.
Yeah. I actually don't know how much I should be seeing right now. We might need to do that right before we go, if that's okay.
Be a good idea.
Yeah.
So my honest feedback with those mirrors is there's not as much vision from behind as your
My previous one.
previous mirrors,
Okay.
but that's kind of what we expected. But
I mean, it's
from
got
a
less
design point of view, they look awesome, don't
Yeah.
they? And you still got a good vision from behind as well.
Yeah.
There's no vibration going on.
Yeah. No, I mean, they just look really sleek. You can tell that because they're pointy, you're not going to see as much, but
Yeah.
the other ones were much more rounded. But yeah, I guess I'll find out.
Yay.
Hopefully, I
Very
can see
soon.
what's going on behind me.
Indeed.
Have to do a few more head turns. I don't know.
There's just one more thing I need to give to you, which you haven't seen. There's my keys, and there, the handout, is your key.
Yay! And it has a little triumph badge on it. Am I holding that the right way up?
So we've got
Matching triumph
Twinny keys. Yay! Katie, that was a lovely ride, wasn't it?
Really nice.
Should we go and cool down for a second and see our friends at Hideout, and then we come out and have a chat about the bike?
Yep. When I untangled my hair.
Yay! But, quickly, how did it feel?
Really good. I really like it. I'm
Different.
Still used to the bars being a little wider and a little further away from me.
Yeah.
I am still a new rider, so I don't have any pretenses that I'm great at riding. But yeah, it feels really good. I feel like it looked cool.
Yeah, it did look cool.
Yeah, so no, I really enjoyed that.
Okay, well, let's sort ourselves out, and then we're going to have a chat in a moment. Yay! So we've come inside Hideout and already kind of had a glass of water. And look, there's the real Twinny. And look down there. It's Twinny again. So that's a photo that I took of you a few years back.
Yeah.
And they've been using other different exhibitions. So you may have seen that at Motorcycle Live as well. Yeah, really cool. How about the mug? Pick up a mug. There you go. There's Twinny on the mug. The Hideout logo. What's it feel like to be famous? To come home.
Doesn't faze me, I don't know.
Your bike, I must admit, does look amazing.
Yeah, it looks awesome. It looks so good.
So, we were saying on the journey here,
Yeah.
how different did it actually feel for you to ride compared to before we changed the bars? And
I wouldn't say it's like mega different. It's just you do notice it, and because like I said, I don't know if I said this before, but I'm a little wider, so I'm a little further out. Obviously, the wing mirrors are a little smaller. I'm also a little further forward, which works for me. It's just slightly different to how it handled before. So I think I just need to get a little bit more used to it.
Just getting used to it.
It's not a problem to ride or anything like that. It's a dream to ride still. So
Yeah.
Yeah. It's all good.
Fantastic, yeah.
And I did say as well, I think during the ride, like the visor does make a massive difference. I didn't think it would, but like I really noticed that there's less wind on me.
Yeah.
On my body.
Yeah.
Obviously my little head is still bobbing up and down, but yeah, the rest is
So the little fly screen, so it's
fly screen,
deflecting the wind from your chest up more towards your head.
Yeah.
But yeah, you can really, when I took the bike out locally, I could really notice the difference.
Yeah.
Especially when I was on an A road, you know, doing 70.
Well, and I really didn't think it would. I didn't think that tiny little piece of plastic would, but it seems to do a job. So.
Yeah, and also, as I was saying to you, because we've got our Cardos on now, haven't we?
Yeah.
So you've got the older unit, I've got the Cardo Neo, but we're still having a very good conversation.
Yep. Yeah.
We were saying that how cool you actually look. You've got the fly screen with a tinted visor,
Yes,
and do
new.
you want to grab your lid?
That's a nice little gift from my hubby.
Let's look at those two together. Look at that.
And I can actually see when I'm riding now, which is kind of nice.
Yeah, so
There's been some times when it's been so sunny I couldn't see.
on a sunny day,
anything.
yeah, you
That's
used to
so
wear your
nice.
sunglasses, didn't you? So that's a
Yeah.
kind of smoke tint visor.
Yeah.
On that, that's an Array, isn't it?
Alright, yeah.
An Array, how we always
I
say
don't know how you say it, but yeah.
No, you're
Alright.
right. So what I need to do is get some nice footage of you riding down the road and get some nice shots. Today, it's the first time we've actually been out to ride together this year, isn't it?
Yeah.
And obviously the bike feels very different. So we just really wanted to have a smooth, sensible ride and for you to get a feel for the bike.
Yep.
That's what we've done.
Yeah.
So now,
Wow.
time's ticking away.
Yes.
And not everyone at Hideout is here today.
No.
It's Saturday. Some people have gone off to a party. I mentioned no names, Kate. But we look forward to seeing you guys all soon.
Yeah.
And we're going to go and get your gear back on, yeah?
Yeah.
And make our way towards Finchley and head home.
Yes.
Subscribe, like and comment.